Howdy, this is Robert with Texas Custom Kennels, and this is our extra large double dog kennel entertainment center. It gives your dog 36 inches of interior space, so your dog can be about 34-35 inches tall and have plenty of room to stand up and move around. This one is stained Provincial by Minwax. It is going to Jillian in Spring, Texas. We've already got it bolted to the pallet for shipping. So whenever you do get it from the shipping company, you'll be able to just unscrew those screws right there to get it off your pallet. Of course, you're putting your kennel tray and bedding there, so the little screw holes that it leaves, you'll never see. On this one, we have 2 latches. Just because of the height of the kennel, you need 2 latches to keep it shut. All of our drawers are full extension and are made to hold whatever you want to. You can also get this kennel with cubbies and pre-drilled for your Xbox, your Dish Network receiver, cable box, whatever you want to put there, or you can get any combination of the 3 on our entertainment centers. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.